Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are discussing whether a woman should make up her prayers after menstruation. This is one of the questions that so many Muslim women find very difficult to answer, and today we are making it possible for them to have this knowledge. In one of the hadiths of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, a woman came to Nana Aisha radiallahu anha and asking her if she should make up her prayers after her menstruation. And Nana Aisha told her that it is not compulsory for a woman to make up her prayers after menstruations because Allah has made it an ease for them. While you are menstruating, prayers become forbidden and you are not allowed to make up the prayer after menstruation. In one of the verses of the Quran, Allah says, La yukallifullahu nafsan illa wus'aha. I will never put upon my servant that which is heavier than them to carry. And also in one of the verses of the Quran, Allah says, Ma alakatil jinni wal ins illa li'abdu. I created man and jinn for nothing but to worship. But despite this, you still have Allah is a merciful God, and He will never put upon you that which is more than your strength. Why did Allah make prayers forbidden for those who are menstruating? And also He permitted them not to repay the prayers after their menstruation is because there are 5 daily prayers in each day, and a woman's menstruation sometimes takes from 4 days to 6 days at this interval. And if you calculate all the prayers within this period and you ask them to pay those prayers, it is going to be very stressful on them. And some of these things, when you are forced to do something, you will begin to hate that thing. When this becomes compulsory on a woman to pay her prayers after menstruation, it will seem like a punishment. And this is not what Allah wants for us. Allah is a merciful God, and He has made everything easy. Even the deen also is very easy. So when a woman menstruates, she is permitted not to pay back the prayers at that period of menstruation. It has been forgiven. It has served as a relief for them, for the pains they go through during menstruation. So women who are menstruating are not allowed to pray, and also are not allowed to make up the prayers after menstruation. They can start praying immediately they discover that the menstruation has stopped. Then they will need to do purification and then commence the prayer from that particular time. If this knowledge is beneficial, please do not forget to subscribe. Until I meet you in the next video. Assalamu Alaikum.